We're talking about solder wire. Very exciting stuff. This is 60-40 solder wire. You get quite a bit of it. I only need a little bit to fix the headlight, but I'm just going to demonstrate it for you guys real quick. I got my soldering iron all hot, and so let's use this. All right, so here we are. We got a joint twisted together, no solder yet, and I'm just going to pop it on my hot soldering iron and let the do a little more for good measure here. Oh yeah, now the solder's working well. So yeah, got some good solder on there. This joint's not good going anywhere. Ready for some shrink tube. So yeah, solder wire. I'm squinting, trying to focus the camera. There you go. But this stuff works. If you need some solder wire, it solders. So go get you some.